I'm Henry Devault. I've been at UCOR 15 years. I started in March of '09 and worked at the transportation hub at K25, and I've been in the nuclear operations at ORNL for the last 9.5, almost 10 years. I'm a Teamster, truck driver, union steward. I've been a Teamster for 39 years. Do a lot of different things at UCOR. I drive tankers, I move waste, drive a dump truck. I do tours, bus tours. Sometimes it's interns, sometimes it's high-level people from Washington. We go all over ORNL, the landfills, Y12, the ETTP site, and let people see what's going on with UCOR over all the sites. I worked in freight for 25 years before I came out here. Once you get in that, it gets in your blood, you're a truck driver for life, I can tell you that right now. I have lived on a farm my whole life. We have run a lot of cattle, put up a lot of hay. My family was in the farm machinery business, and so it's just the way I grew up working on things, working on equipment, farming, operating equipment. I grew up driving a tractor, so operating equipment was just natural for me. It was kind of a fluke. I started barbecuing around 2004. I had went to a trade show and they brought these cookers in on a trailer, and I had a display there, and I went to pick it up and they were feeding everybody, and my dad said, "Man, you ought to build a cooker like that." So I did. They were having a barbecue cook-off in Knoxville at the World's Fair site. I entered and I won it, the first one I ever entered. And hey, it was like downhill from then. I've probably cooked in 700 events and barbecue or steak. I cook in a lot of steak cook-offs now. At my house, I've probably got, I don't know, 200 or 300 trophies there in my living room, and it's just amazing what I've been able to win cooking barbecue, but it kind of got to be an out-of-control hobby. And I don't know, I think I've got 6 smokers, 2 of them on trailers. I've got a cooking trailer. But I've been able to do it all and finance it all through what I want cooking or catering. I've never spent any money besides what I want doing it. It's kind of been self-sufficient. Later this year, I will go for the 3rd time to Fort Worth, Texas to cook in the World Steak Championship. I won actually about a year ago this week at Hendrick Motorsports in Charlotte. There was like 65 teams cooking. I won. It enabled me to win what we call a gold ticket to go to the World Championships last year. In February of this year, we went to Atlanta, and I cooked in the first cook-off of this year, and I won it also. So that enabled me to cook in the 2025 in March, which will be held at Texas Motor Speedway, and there'll be around 400 teams cooking. Also, I have a girlfriend, and I have got her started cooking, and she cooks the Ancillary contest. And that's like appetizers or chicken wings and things like that. She has won her gold ticket to go to Fort Worth with me this year to try to win the Ancillary Championship, but I also have a gold ticket to cook against her, so I don't know how that's gonna work out, but we'll have a good time. It's important to me to cook because I want to be the best I can be. People race cars, people play ball. The older you get, you might not be able to play ball anymore. You might not be able to race a car or drive as much, but hey, you can always cook a little barbecue.